I look like a baby bang. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Alright, before we get started, I hope you are subscribed and I hope you hit that bell so you can get notifications whenever we make a new video. Today I'm coming to you with a new Cinderella wig from Sam's Beauty. I love doing these wig reviews from Sam's Beauty because these wigs are always a hit. Like, I have not had one that was just like a miss. I call them Cinderella wigs because they're for one night only. They are all synthetic wigs. So the synthetic wig that we are going to review is the Model Deep Invisible Part wig. It's a 1B wig. This wig was on their daily deal. That's where I get most of my Cinderella wigs from because I don't like to spend a lot of money on wigs that I'm only going to wear pretty much one time. Or if it's not just one time, just for the weekend. Because girl, you can't wear these wigs more than one time. If you can and you know how to wear them more than one time, please let me know the secret because I don't know the secret. They get nappy and they shed all over the place. But I'm not going to keep on talking. Let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I'm a potato. Just got my wig cap on. Nothing fancy going on with this wig cap. I'm not doing like the bar cap method. I don't do all of that for these Cinderella wigs. So I'm happy to be able to put this Cinderella on, and she's a long one. How long is she? She's really long. Look, let me show y'all. Y'all see on the model, it like goes down to her butt. So like, I'm so ready for this. So let me stop. Just let me stop. And I want to open her up and we're going to put her on. No, you cannot put heat on her. They say you can put heat on them. You can't put heat on her. Her name is Jane, 1B. And I think she's about 28 inches long. She's long. Okay, so here's all of her information. That's all of her information. I purchased her, like I said, from Sam's Beauty. I never heard of this brand of wigs before. I don't know if it's like Outre or anything like that, but it's called Model. Here she go. She's like a beach wave type of girl. And the part, it seems okay. Like, that seems okay. But I am going to go in and spray. Let me show you guys the inside. Just the regular cap. Have 3 combs. Do I have 3 combs? Yeah, 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. With my lace tint in light brown. And I'm just going to spray that in the inside of the wig. Alright. And that's what it looks like. See, look, it's giving you scalp. I love this lace tint. Like this, that is like my favorite. She looks like she just is ready to wear. Let that dry just a little bit. Just let it dry, let it dry. Like guys, I'm like having a great day. Today is like a wonderful day for me. So if I'm like a little bubbly, I'm just having a good day. The sun is shining. I'm like ready for consistent warm weather. So it has the adjustable straps in here too. It looks like it's going to be kind of big. So I'm going to move this strap in a little bit closer to the neck. Okay. So let's just pop her right on. Okay. She's looking very wiggy. So wiggy. But I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how long she is before I try to unwiggy her. Y'all see how long that is? That's long. Okay, so it's looking very wiggy. So I'm going to get some clips and some scissors and try to unwiggy it. So just give me. Let's try to get her a little bit more natural looking. So there's like no lace in the front. There's no lace, like a T-part or anything like that. I might gotta get some, got to be. Like all sister got is this part, this lace part right here. That's it. There's nothing else. Alright, so these edges are not laying down like how I want them to. So wiggy and I cannot get with it. I'm going to take a braid here. I gotta get a brush. I cannot get jiggy with this and it's tangled so bad. So I'm going to try something. Hold on. Okay, so that's not working either because that look a mess. I just don't know how I can style this wig. Maybe if I do the braids bigger. What's her name? Janet is not it. I'm not feeling this wig. Okay. I don't know. I'm not feeling this hair. It's like so much hair. I tried to like style it. I had an idea in my head how I would style it. I cut the baby hairs, but it's no way. Well, let me see. Let me see. No. 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 Alright, so there's nothing more that I can do with this wig. This wig is not recommended. I do not recommend this hair. I'm just messing around with these baby hairs at this point. I need one of those combs that can thin it out. Cause it is like a hot mess. Let me move these baby hairs out the way. Let me move these baby bangs out the way. So nappy. Like I'm not gonna be able to wear this hair more than a few hours. Okay, cause it's like already like so tangled. It's so long. Model is a no. Sounds Beauty, I love you guys, but stop selling this wig. don't sell this one. I normally am like so, like I said in the beginning of the video, I love Sounds Beauty. I've never got a bad wig, but I just can't get with this hair. It's just like, let me show you what Jane looked like. Well, hers look wiggy too, so she looked very wiggy too. I'm looking real Addams Family-ish. What's the Addams Family mom name? Tell me down in the comments because I can't think of her name right now. But that's how I'm looking, like very Addams Family mom-ish. Maybe if I put a headband on, it'll make it a little better, but I don't want to spray any more Got To Be on there because I don't want to make it flaky. The hair is soft. It's very soft for today. I'm gonna be changing my hair. I'm gonna go back to my blonde wig because my human wig, like my go-to, my hair, like as I call that wig, that's my hair. This is not. Let me try a headband. Let's try a headband. Maybe that'll work. Okay, I like her with the headband. So this is how I'm gonna have to wear her if I'm gonna wear her. Like, all the extra stuff that I've been trying to do is a no. I'm gonna wear her with the headband. That looks very cute. It's not giving me too much of a wiggy. You can't see like the front part. So this is a headband Cinderella wig. So that's how we're gonna wear that. So let's talk about 3 things. This wig is not a T-part wig. It didn't say it was a T-part wig, but it is not. I don't know why I feel like all synthetic wigs are T-parts nowadays. They're not. This wig does tangle. It tangles a lot. It does give you, I got more than 3 things to say about this wig. It does give you the wig vibe, and you're going to be looking like the mom from Addams Family, or is it the daughter? I don't know. You're going to be looking real Addams Family-ish. I'm looking at this like I got some notes written down. It ain't no notes written down. I just keep looking down. But why am I looking at it again? I don't know. So this is a Cinderella wig for real. So when that clock strikes 12, so does this wig. Maybe she can turn into a grocery store wig, or maybe she can turn into a bun wig or something just to throw on. Maybe she turned into a clean up wig. Maybe she turned into a take kids to the park wig. Maybe she just turned into a wig that she wear with a headband. But I feel like once the end starts to tangle, she's over with. Maybe she turned into a ponytail wig. I don't know what she'll turn into, but she will not be an everyday wig. And with all of that being said, shop Sounds Beauty. You're going to find some good things, some good wigs on there that's synthetic. I have not tried any of their human wigs. I like to personally make my own human wigs or get them from my vendor that I get them from. So, I haven't tried the human wig from Sounds Beauty. But for the synthetic wigs, the Cinderellas, try it. It's a must try. So, I'm going to... I like this wig with the headband. I really like her with the headband. She's cute. She's very cute with the headband. I need to put some earrings on. Yeah, she's cute. So, with all of the things that I have tried to do with this wig today, guys, like, I didn't want to make this video so long. I don't know. Listen, when I was thinking of making a halo braid, I should have just thought, say, go get a headband. But, hey, that's what reviews are for, to try things out, and that's what I did today. She is a Cinderella wig. She was, I think, $12.99. $12.99, I said again. So you cannot be too critical about what she looks like, what she feel like, because you didn't spend under $20 on her. And then for this length too as well, I think I got her on a daily deal. So that was like the best part about it. I love Sounds Beauty. I love getting these wigs. See, because you never know what you get. You never know what you're going to get. And today I got me a cute headband wig, girl. Nobody would never know unless they watch this video that she's wiggy. She's so wiggy. But until next time, people, I'm going to see you later. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If your mama have not subscribed, make sure she do. Your cousin too. Peace.